Morning students, welcome to the virtual classes provided by DV Thermal. Today we will discuss the case of Sharp-Eye Jeweler written by Nicholas Bentley. Yesterday or in the previous class we have discussed the nutshell summary of this story. Now today we will discuss in detail. As you know, the main character of this story is William Morris, who was the assistant of Regner's jeweler shop. William Morris introduces himself, an ordinary man, makes full use of common sense. He has an unusual hobby like the study of crime and criminal. And he was highly observant, observes human behavior closely, and enjoy the pastime. Regnier is a famous shop for the antique jewelry. So the jewels at least 3 centuries old. So one day when William Morris was busy in displaying some jewelry in the window, he observes a young woman on the opposite side of a street. And woman stands in front of an undertaker's shop for 20 minutes. And woman's behavior found very strange. And there was no sign of mourning, yet stares at the two urns display. In the meantime, an American visited this showroom and he had a very typical haircut and wearing a multicolored bright tie and chewing chewing gum. And he demands to be shown a very precious ring. But William Morris noticed that he has no knowledge about rings. Meanwhile, Precious ring, then he asked to show the antique flower shaped ring, and the American liked this ring, but the price was very high. Then he asked to William Morris to show more rings. In the meantime, William Morris turned back to pick up the fourth tray. Then this precious ring disappeared. William Morris was very surprised and he asked American to return it for packing, and then thinking that the American had selected that ring. But American denies its position. Then Mr. Regnier, Miss Susskind, another assistant of the showroom, they start searching of this precious ring. A thorough search will be there, but the ring not found. In the meantime, the same lady who was standing near the undertaker's shop visit this showroom and a request to William Morris to mend the broken brooch. Morris deny, or you can say decline, saying no repair at the Regnier shop. Woman cunningly swept against the paper in which the brooch has been wrapped. So, keen observant of Morris, because the William Morris was observing this lady very minutely. When he bends to pick up the paper, he understands the mystery behind the ring disappearance. After that, he asked the lady to stop the woman from the leaving the shop and ask for the stolen ring from the left hand pocket of her coat. The ring recovered, woman returns the ring and runs away. In the meantime, American also comes out from the Regnier office and Regnier, very worried, and apologized to the American about the ring, and American rushed out. Regnier requested for the detail, then William Morris told him about the full detail, how American and this lady was the partner and they tried to steal a precious ring. And because they find no knowledge of jewelry and seems to a misfit for Regnier and young woman's odd behavior, in this way, due to the keen observation of the human behavior, William Morris was able to save the ring from being stolen. And Mr. Regnier grateful to Morris but angry at the attempted theft. I hope all of you cleared this story. So you have to read it carefully at home and try to solve the question answers. Thank you and have a nice day.